Hey guys, welcome back to Oliver's Hobbies Mania. Today we are doing a monster truck set. I got it for Christmas. I don't know if Santa gave it to me or not. Oh, and if I sound weird, I'm sick. And my voice has changed. I used to be really high pitched. But I'm gonna upload another video with this and take it to the McDonald's. Everyone loves McDonald's, right? I got it from the mini McDonald's set, so let's see who wins. It's Gutter Growler versus Demo Davy. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh! He got taken out by the lava shark. No, it's taking me. Blech. It dead. The winner gets to go in the McDonald's. Look, I want to go to the McDonald's. Yay. So yeah, that's going to be the next round. So, the 1, 2. Okay, so, next pair. Snakebite versus Bigfoot. Sorry, I just got to do that for my meme. I'm sorry if there's something annoying, like my sister likes watching little kids shows. So yeah. Wow. Sorry. Next one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Bigfoot won. Okay, so I don't know what this guy's called. I'm just gonna call him Shark Dagger and haul y'all. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that was a tie. Like they were like this, but this guy didn't win. So let's see who wins again. Sorry, sorry about that, but he wins. Sorry for that guy fan. Oh, y'all. If you're hauling, y'all, then get out of here, y'all. Sorry, I was worried that was going to land on my head. So, I'll try to make it to like 16 monster trucks, but if I don't, then don't yell at me. Oh, Fire Alarm makes it. She doesn't have her ladder because of the internet. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, so that was cool. Space rabbits. I have like a million of these. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel and also my cousin's channel, Weston. It's something with Weston. I think it's called The Weston Show or something with fishing. Go check it out, and it's good. There, he has funny names on it. Megalodon. Sorry, I didn't say the names last time. And dragon, in Chinese dragon. I don't know what it's actually called that. Oh, both of them dead. Both of them died. Oh, the other guy was El Toro Loco and Fire Alarm. Sorry about that. Prince of Darkness! Ah, no! They keep dying. Wait. Let me give them a little boost. Okay. This guy... Okay, so this is what happened. It was like this. Then this guy went near. So I think this guy went. Lava shark. Sorry. It's a darn key. This is what my sister's show looks like. It's weird. I'm probably... So yeah. I don't know why she's watching it. Guys, when you search up my YouTube channel, do not go onto this little kid's name, Oliver. It is part of Diana, and Diana sucks! It sucks so badly. And do not... Guys, I don't want to be mean to you 6'7" fans, but I'm never posting a video with 6'7". This is the only video, and I hate it. I don't think anyone likes it. I don't know why people like it. Oh! Bro just got garbage by a dog. The next one, we're going to flip that over, and there's going to be obstacles. Obstacles. Yeah. Trash car versus trash car. Wicked car versus Mutt Howard. RIP, yeah, I don't think. Oh my gosh, bro actually won. This guy actually won. I'm surprised. I thought the other guy was gonna win, but no. I thought this was just gonna be a joke and the other guy would win, but no. Oh my gosh. His tire won't come. I gotta tear this tire off. I have to. Sorry, I can't do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, we have one more round. Into Scorpio versus Tiger Shark. Let's see who wins. Go. Scorpio wins. Tiger Shark loses. Next round. Something is happening to the slides. Guys, if you can't see, it is rocks now. So yeah, that's gonna be harder. Next time I'm gonna shift it. So when it goes. Okay, this time these guys go together. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro didn't even get past. Okay, I'll give them a speed boost. This is probably a little bit hard. I don't think. Oh my gosh, how did these guys are not making it? Right. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry about that. No, not yeah. Sorry, it fell. The track wasn't working, so now we're shifting it. Oh, he lost. He won. I was shifting it too. He's in the finals. Sorry, the semi-finals. Oh, this guy barely. Man, these are tough races. Oh, this guy. These guys are both really cool. Oh, he hit the screen. He said hi. So one more match. Who's gonna win? This guy. If this guy wins, I would be so surprised. Oh my! Oh. I'm so. What the? Guys, did you like the funny videos that I put in? Sorry I had to wait. I was doing my medicine. I like the Laney one so good. Okay, so next time, these guys. Oh, this guy hits the ground as soon. finals. Final. I put it up on the final. Finals. Sorry, I didn't shake it that much. That's why. Wait, let me get this typewriter. Oh man, he was so close. He will win. Guys, sorry if this is bad footage. Oh! Bigfoot win! Second place. This guy's second place. Let's see who battles for third. Wait, who was... It was this guy, yeah. He was competing against Bigfoot. Let's see who gets fourth place. Yep, he gets fourth place. Sorry, he got third place. Okay, so these are our winners. First place, Bigfoot. Second place, Dick Rusher. Second place, Moab Mahler. Boat from Balloons. And Wicked Car. Special to him because he's really bad. So, good congratulations for them. I hope you liked the funny videos. Peace.